Hello, good day. How are you today? Are you good? You are, okay. So, are you ready for today's lesson? Today, in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about simple farm tools. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on simple farm tools. Okay? So are you prepared for today's lesson? You are? That is good. So first, we are going to be looking at the meaning of simple farm tools. Simple farm tools refer to basic and operated implements and equipment that are commonly used in agricultural practices. They are typically uncomplicated and do not require complex mechanisms or power sources like electricity or engines. Simple farm tools serve various purposes in farming, from soil preparation to planting, cultivation, and harvesting. Do we understand that? Simple farm tools are basic manual implements used in farming. They do not require electricity or engines to operate. These tools are essential for various tasks in agriculture. Okay, so we now know the meaning of simple farm tools, right? They are basic manual implements and equipment used in farming. They do not require electricity or engines to operate. And they are used for various purposes like planting, cultivating, harvesting, right? Good. So now we are going to be looking at the different types of simple farm tools, okay? First, we have hoe, a tool with a flat blade used for weeding and tilling the soil. This is a hoe. It's used for weeding and loosening the soil. They can come in various shapes, size, okay? Next, we have spade, a tool with a flat rectangular blade for digging and turning soil. So spades are used for digging and turning soil. They have a flat rectangular blade with a handle. So this is called a spade. We also have rake, a tool with tines or teeth for collecting and leveling soil. So rakes are designed to gather and level soil. Okay, so we have mentioned hoe, spade, and rake, right? These are simple farm tools. We also have cutlass, a sharp blade used for cutting grass and clearing fields. So this is a cutlass and is used for cutting grass, clearing fields. They have a long sharp blade. Cutlass have a long sharp blade. This is called a cutlass. We also have shovel, A tool for moving soil, compost, and other materials. This is called a shovel. Okay? It's used for moving soil, compost, and other materials. It has a concave blade and a handle. Okay? It has a concave blade and a handle. It looks like the spade, right? Next, we have garden fork, a tool with pointed tines for digging and turning soil. So this is called a garden fork. Okay? It's used for digging and turning soil, and it can also be used for lifting earth. Okay? So these are simple farm tools: cutlass, shovel, garden fork. We also have wheelbarrow, a simple cart with a wheel used to transport materials. So this is called a wheelbarrow. While they may have wheels, wheelbarrows are still considered simple tools. They are used for transporting materials like soil, manure, harvested crops. Okay? We also have pruners, small handheld pruner shears for cutting branches in plants. So these are called pruners. They're used for cutting branches, stems. Okay? So these are simple tools. We mentioned hoes, spades, rakes, cutlass, shovels, garden fork, wheelbarrow, and pruners, right? So these are simple farm tools. Next, we're going to be looking at still farm tools, but these are machines. Okay? Remember, simple farm tools are basic manual tools, right? They don't have electricity or engines to operate, but they are still farm tools. So now we are still looking at farm tools, but these have engines. Okay? We have the tractor, a powerful vehicle used for plowing fields, planting crops, and various farm tasks. So this is called the tractor. Okay? We also have the plow, a tool pulled by a tractor or animals to turn over the soil for planting. It can be pulled by a tractor, this is a plow, or it can be pulled by animals. It's used for turning over the soil. Okay? We have harvesters, machines used to gather crops like grains, fruits, or vegetables. This is called the harvesters. Okay? It's used for gathering crops. So these are also farm tools, though they are not simple. We have the seeder, equipment for planting seeds in rows. This is called the seeder. It is for planting seeds in rows. Then we have the irrigation system, a system for watering crops using pipes, pumps, or sprinklers. So this is a irrigation system. Okay? This is called a thresher, a machine for separating grain from the shaft. Then we have the combine harvester, a machine that combines harvesting, threshing, and winnowing. Okay? So all these are farm tools. They make farming easier and faster. These machines make farming easier and more efficient. Okay? Next, we're going to be looking at horticultural tools. Horticultural tools are special tools and equipment used in gardening and taking care of plants. These tools help gardeners grow healthy and beautiful plants and maintain them. We have pruners and tools used for trimming and shaping plants. These are called pruners. Grafting knife, a special knife used in grafting, a technique for combining different plant varieties. So this is called a grafting knife. Okay? Next, trowel, a small hand-held tool for digging in gardens and planting small plants. So this is called a trowel. So these tools are used in gardening. Okay? Soil test kit, a kit to measure soil pH and nutrient levels for proper plant care. Wheelbarrow, a cart with a wheel for transporting soil, plants or other materials in the garden. Watering can, a container with a spout used for watering plants. So these tools are used for gardening. Okay? In today's lesson, we have talked about the meaning of simple farm tools, right? And we also talked about the different farm tools we have. We have also talked about the tools used for gardening, right? Good. So we understood today's lesson. That's good. So we are going to be moving over to our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do it, right? That's good.